Summer in Japan gets really hot. And in the days before fans and air conditioners, the Japanese came up with lots of ingenious ways to stay cool. Screens made of bamboo or reeds provide shade while letting air pass through. The custom of splashing water on streets lowers the air temperature as it evaporates. A more widely known item is the wind bell, or Fūrin. In summer, people hang these up where they'll catch the wind. Even a gentle breeze moves the dangling strip of paper, causing the clapper to ring the bell. Hearing these bells makes us think of the wind, which subconsciously produces a cooling sensation. The Fūrin's roots date back to the 7th century, when temples began hanging such bells from their eaves. The constant sound of these bronze bells was believed to ward off disease and disaster. Over the centuries, other materials came to be used, including ceramics and glass. And today you can buy Fūrin in a huge range of shapes and colours. One type especially known for its unique tone is the Edo Fūrin, which is made from glass. Edo is the old name for Tokyo, and these Fūrin have been made in the capital using the same techniques for 300 years. No moulds or casts are used. These glass bells are individually handcrafted. The glass is first softened in a furnace at 1,300 degrees Celsius. It's then blown into a globe shape. A large opening is cut in the bottom. The clapper rubbing on its edges produces the sound. This is what makes the Edo Fūrin different from other wind bells. The edge of the opening is deliberately made rough and jagged. This rough edge creates the Edo Fūrin's unique sound. The clapper doesn't produce sound by striking the inside like a normal bell. Instead, as it moves, it rubs against the rough glass edge of the hole. The jagged edge around the opening is what creates this special tone. The sound from an Edo Fūrin is thought to resemble that made by crickets rubbing their wings together. In Japan, hearing crickets produces a refreshing sensation, since it's the sound of cool autumn evenings. An Edo Fūrin makes you imagine autumn has arrived. Another special thing about Edo Fūrin is the way they're decorated. Designs are painted on the inside of the glass. This requires skill, since artists must imagine how the picture will look from the outside as they build it up on the inside. The layer of transparent glass over the picture also has a cooling effect, like looking through ice. Today's artists no longer stick to traditional designs, and the only limit is their imagination. The Edo Fūrin, bringing the sound of coolness to Japanese summers for 300 years.